Today we're at the Goethals Bridge Project, connecting New Jersey and New York. One of the really fascinating things about it for me is the low angle used on the cables to accommodate for the airport in Newark close by, and then also the necessity to have a wide shipping channel underneath. The need to accommodate for so many different things on this project, from all the commuters going from New Jersey to New York to the Newark airport and the shipping channel, and just the breadth of the project as well being absolutely massive. One of the things that's really sort of applicable for most structural engineers is the actual truss formations, and one of my interests is energy and using that same structure for oil rigs in the Gulf. And it was just a great time here at Hewitt Weeks Massman. They treated us very well, amazing presentation, amazing people.